Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at OptionAlpha.com, and in today's Take 5 segment, I wanted to just take a couple minutes to look over some pretty weird things that are happening with one stock that I've just kind of picked out here, and that's NCR. So on my watch list, NCR is one that is down a little over 22% today, so I don't think it had earnings just yet. Maybe it announced early, but I honestly don't know why it's down, but it's down pretty big on the day. And when I saw it on my watch list this morning, I also decided to go in and take a look at implied volatility. So a stock that's down that big, possibly implied volatility, kind of got crushed around some announcement that came out for the company. But in this case, actually implied volatility is fairly high. So there's a couple things that we want to look at, right? We can look at making a trade on NCR because, we're past this. It's had a huge move down and we could, sell some premium. So when I went in to look at and try to place an order to sell some premium for NCR, and let me just go here to NCR, not the futures, and you can see I do have a working order in there. What I noticed is that there's a lot of volume around the strike prices that we're interested in, right? So the 24 to call it, 26, 27 range, a lot of volume, but practically no open interest. And so that raises a good question for today's Take 5, and that's why is there no open interest when there's been so much volume in there? And the reason is because the OCC does not actually post open interest until the morning after the trading day. So this is a really good example because you don't have figures in there so they aren't swayed. There was actually no open interest for these contracts all the way down here. There's a couple for the 24s, and those guys probably made some money on the way down if they were trading, the put side. But pretty much everything else that has already started to trade today in this range, there was practically no open interest for those contracts, meaning nobody was trading them until today. Okay, so it creates a little bit of a confusing thing. Some people look at it and they say no open interest, but there's a lot of volume. It's okay. That doesn't mean that there's no liquidity. It just means that today's the first day that those contracts really started trading, and it's because the stock is down about 22%. So that's today's quick Take 5 segment. Hopefully that helps you learn just one additional thing about options trading that you didn't know before. And as always, happy trading.